Hey, first off, thank you and congratulations. If you just booked your consultation or the perfect fire alarm install, you are officially on the path to a safe, code-compliant, and a stress-free installation. I'm Anthony Richardson, president of Security Securities, and I want you to know you didn't just hire a contractor, you partnered with a certified team that's been trusted for over 20 years to deliver a flawless fire alarm installation to our residential, commercial, and our government clients. We don't just install alarms, we handle everything from start to finish. We have the site survey, we have the system design, we take care of permits and filing, we do a professional installation, pre-test inspection and make sure it's connected to your central station, and finally, we get your system approved by the fire department. So here's what's gonna happen next. I want you to check your inbox for the calendar invites and reminders. Come with all your questions and we'll come with all the answers. And if you have made a purchase, our team will be reaching out to you within 24 hours so we can conduct our first site survey. We're excited to work with you, but we're even more excited that we're gonna give you a peace of mind knowing that we're gonna give you the perfect fire alarm install. Now, welcome to the fire alarm install. Safe, smart, certified. Talk to you soon.